Good morning, dear student. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay, and also hope you are doing very well at home. So, I Yue Singh, your maths teacher. So, welcome you all in a maths class. First of all, student, take out your maths book. You all have taken? Okay. So, yesterday, what we have discussed? We have discussed about the unit 7, numbers from 51 to 100. And also I have given you homework to write down the numbers name. So you all have done that? Okay, student. Now come to page number 104. Page 104. Okay? Check out. This you have to do in your book. Okay? Now see the question. Match the number names and the numerals. इसमें आपके ढेर सारे नंबर्स नेम दिए हैं एंड एक साइड में क्या दिए हैं न्यूमरल्स. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मैच. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन. सी, मैच द numbers, number names and the numerals. Okay, so see here, numbers are 74, 90, 9, 60, 1, 50, 8, 100, 83, 83. Okay, student, and this side it is number names. Okay, and this side I am writing the numerals. That is number 100, 83, 99, 74, 58, 61. Okay, these are the numbers. So you are going to do the matching. Okay, so it is what? 74. So can you find 74 here? This one? No. This? No, it is 83. This? No. This? Yes, it is 74. So I am matching here. Okay, like this you have to do the match. Now it is what? 99. So find here. It is 100, 83, then 99. So 99 is here. Then 61. So search here. 100, 83. These two are done. 58, then 61. So it is 61. Okay, student. Now 58. 58 is here. Okay. 100. So 100, can you see at the top? Okay. 83. 83 is left, so 83. Okay, so like this you have to match in your book. So do it, student. Done, everyone? Now on same page, like this, one more number names and numerals are given. Okay, can you see here this one? So this you have to do by your own. Okay, do it itself, student. Now see the next question. See, circle the numeral for the number name. Next question is what? Circle the numeral for the number name. Okay, student. So see here it is written 90, 93, and here so many numbers are given: 83, 93, 96, 73. So which one is correct? Here it is 93. So what you have to do? You have to circle. So it is 83. It is 93. So here I am going to do the circle like this. Okay. Now next. 59. 59, 89, 57, 69. So can you find 59 here? आप find कर सकते हैं. So it is 59. It is 89, then 57, 69. Okay student. तो आप लोग को आपको क्या करना है? It is 59. So I have done circle here. Okay. Now 85. 85. Here it is written 95, 84, 75, 85. So can you find 85 here? See, there it is 95, 84, 75, 85. So which one is correct? This one now? 85? Okay. So 85 I have done here. Circle. So like this only you have to do this question. Okay. Some more question I am solving. 76. 76, 66, 78, 76, 86. So you have to find out 76. So which one is 76? This one is 66, 78, 76. So this one is correct. Okay student. Then is 67. 67. Here it is written 67, 77, 57, 69. Okay. So can you find the correct one? Yes, the first one is correct. 67. Okay. Then is 70. 70. Here it is 60, 90, 70, then 80. So you have to find out 70. So it is 60, 90, 70, 80. So correct one is 70. So I have done here 70. Okay, student. So this page I have completed. Okay. Now rest you have to do by your own and do it fast. Done. Now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Page number 105. Okay. Before, after, between. Before, after, between. Okay. Before, after and between. So see here. Here is before. First I am writing before. Then after. Okay. Then between. Okay, student. Before, after and between. So before you can see here it is written 75. You have to find out 56, 10, 29, 100. Okay. No need to write down in your copy, student, because it is given in your book. So many questions are there. Okay. So see here before 75. Which number comes before 75? So 75 से पहले कौन सा number आता है? So you all know that? Yes, it is what? 74. Very good. It is 74. Now, which number comes before 56? It is 55. Very good, student. I know you all know this very well. 10. Before 10, which number come? Yes, it is 9. Before 29? Yes, it is 28. And before 100? Yes, it is 99. Good. So like this you have to complete before, and so many questions are there in this page. Okay, so you have to do it by your own. Now come to the next question, that is after. That is after. 87, 29, 59, 67, 60. Okay, I am also writing between. 86, 88, 54, 56, 79, 81, 88, 90, 74, 76. So these are the question. Okay. So which number come after 87? After 87. इसमें आपको after 87 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? Before you know, इससे पहले. Okay. And after means which number come after 87? So after 87 is 88. After 29 is 30. After 59 is 60. After 67, 68. After 16 is 17. Okay. So these are the number which come after. Okay. After this number. Now come to between 86. So 86 dash then 88. So which number comes in between these two number? So it is 86, 87, 88. Okay, done. Now 54. Then which number come? 55. Then 56. 79. Then 80. Good. Then 81. Now 88, 89, 90. Now 74, 75, 76. Okay. So I have completed before, after and between. So like this you have to do the rest and you have to complete up to page 104 and 105. Okay. Up to now complete 104 and 105. This is your homework page. Okay, 104 and 105. Both page you have to complete by your own and it is very simple and I know you all will do by your own self. Do it, student. Okay, so I hope you all have completed and understood this. Okay, and on Monday I will teach less than, equal to and greater than. Okay, student. So till then, keep learning, keep practicing at home and stay home, stay safe. Bye.